The best kitchen timers count down the timing and beep a reasonably loud unmistakable sound to tell you whether your food is ready to enjoy or not. Some foods are relatively hard to know if they are perfectly cooked or not. For instance, you might find it challenging to know whether ribs are done. Thus, a kitchen timer will buzz as a timeliness alert to let you know your results. It helps you in keeping the cooking time monitored. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 kitchen timers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Znutic Adjustable Volume Control Kitchen Timer. You can adjust this kitchen timer to the silent level instead of high or low mode to keep a quiet space. The alarm volume is adjustable for ease of use. Besides, it has a clock for easy monitoring. You merely rotate the time position to start the countdown mode. Plus, simply rotate this kitchen timer back to clock position to stop the countdown process and return to clock mode. Furthermore, it comes with an LCD display for easy viewing. Besides, it features a flashing alert as an innovative design. You can set 5 timing modes, such as 5, 15, 30, 45, and 60 minutes, depending on which food you are preparing. Key features include a fully functional alarm clock, switch the timer position to start and stop counting down, supply with an LCD display, feature 3 adjustable volume settings, such as high, low, and silent. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Triple Kitchen Timer. You can set them 3 times at once and program these modes effortlessly. This kitchen timer is ideal for multiple cooking tasks. Plus, it has 3 alarms to let you know which timer goes out. This device reaches a duration of 100 hours. Hence, you can cook food that takes a long time to be perfectly cooked without frequently monitoring the cooking time. You can easily watch the screen and display numbers thanks to its angled face and an LCD display. Furthermore, this timer tends to show the current time as a clock when it is free. It includes the non-slip feet mechanism to ensure stability and minimize the risk of getting scratched on the placed surface. It also has soft buttons for ease of use. It comes with 2 batteries for use longer. Key features include 3 100-hour digital timers, the unique alarm sounds for each timer, easy-to-read LCD screen, automatically convert to clock mode. Number 3. ThermoPro Dual Countdown Stopwatches Kitchen Timer. You can activate 2 countdown modes to monitor more than one task, making it perfect for cooking various family dinners at the same time with optimal precision. Moreover, this kitchen timer has an LCD display to show 2 separate timers simultaneously. Besides, this instrument includes a calendar function and a clock mode. It also has a versatile alert alarm, which you can control volume or even adjust to the silent feature. You can place it on the cabinet with a stable stand or stick it on the refrigerator with a magnetic back. Moreover, it features large numbers to see easily. Its screen is equipped with the backlight function to read the entire digits and markings even in dim light conditions. Furthermore, it comes with a memory program to recall the last modes. You do not usually change your favorite settings. Thus, this function is perfect. Key features: equipped with a dual display to monitor 2 timing events, large digits timer with a backlit display, easy to read LCD screen, small loud timer with adjustable volume. Number 4. Cadam's Indoor Temperature Humidity Kitchen Timer. This kitchen timer tends to resist water from splashes effectively. You can apply it without concern about the moistened device. Besides, you set time easily to monitor the cooking time efficiently. This instrument will let you know indicators on its LCD display when the battery gets low to under 2.75 volts. It also provides the clock mode for an easy check. The alarm is loud enough to hear from another room or a not too far distance. It does not hurt your eyes when ringing. Besides, it displays indoor temperature thermometer and humidity as perfect options. You can check information with just this kitchen timer. You can place it flexibly by a stand for tabletop, a hole for the wall, and a suction cup for glass surfaces. The LCD display is made of clear plastic acrylic to get significant durability. It is hard for the screen to be broken into tiny pieces when in use. Key features: water-resistant model, updated design, provide a low battery indicator when the power gets low under 2.75 volts, supply with advanced functions, clock mode, humidity, and indoor temperature thermometer. Number 5. Time Timer Interchangeable Silicone Cover Kitchen Timer. This kitchen timer has a removable silicone cover to protect it from bumps and falls. Thus, you do not worry about your damaged device thanks to this extra protective layer. It is relatively lightweight, so you can take it anywhere to your liking. Notably, it shows a red disc on the screen that tends to disappear when the cooking time is over. This product provides a quiet operation without ticking so as not to annoy you. Plus, it features an optional alert mode, allowing for deciding whether you use audible sound or not. You can get an easy-to-read screen, which accommodates clear, bold numbers. Besides, you merely rotate the center knob counterclockwise to your desired time, but not over 60 minutes. It is straightforward to operate. Key features: equipped with a red disc on the visible display, feature a removable silicone cover as an extra layer of protection, deliver a quiet operation with no loud ticking, come with an optional alarm signal. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.